Paraguayan black truffle is the edible fruit body of one of the world's most valuable fungi. These below-ground ectomycorrhizal fruit bodies grow in a symbiotic partnership with a variety of deciduous tree species. In France, the truffle market is valued at about 67 million euros per year. This includes the marketing of fresh and processed truffles, truffle-containing products, and a new form of mycotourism emphasizing the gastronomic pleasures of locally harvested truffles. Today, nearly 90% of the Mediterranean truffle harvest comes from plantations in Spain, France, and Italy. Each year, approximately 16 square kilometers of arable land are transformed into new plantations. At the same time, truffle hunting in forests where truffles occur naturally is declining. A warming-induced drying trend since the 1970s threatens truffle production across southern Europe, which may have large-scale economic consequences as water becomes more valuable. Predicted regional climate change impacts will increase the competition for water amongst various agricultural sectors, posing serious threats to both maintaining and expanding current truffle production. Figure 1 shows the correlations between normalized monthly and seasonal precipitation totals and truffle production in Spain, France, and Italy. In all three regions, the current June to August precipitation is significantly correlated with truffle production in the following winter. Figure 2 illustrates how local truffle production is correlated with regional summer precipitation and how the relationship decreases from west to east as natural hydroclimate conditions become more favorable for production. Figure 3a summarizes the relationship between Mediterranean truffle production and summer precipitation, and panels B and C illustrate how this positive relationship is increasing towards the present. These results question the timing and dose of existing irrigation prescriptions. We provide a robust tool for predicting harvest yields. Handled responsibly, this information can help stabilize production and pricing, thereby contributing to the maintenance of sustainable markets. However, the ability to forecast truffle production does not enable long-term projections since host density and irrigation intensity must be adapted to changing climate. We hope this study will stimulate more research into the effects of climate change on the life cycle of truffles and their hosts and the economic consequences predicted drought extremes will cause.